Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you my car crusher. See, there he is, the car. Watch as it goes down. Now the car's crushed. It's a door back here. Open it and you find the same exact car with the flames. So, thank you for watching.